Alright guys, so tonight we're going to be installing this carbon fiber headlight insert from Carbonetics. Goes over here on the left side, so you get more like airflow into your engine. So let's get to it. Alright, so first thing we're going to do on the car is take off the bumper, because on these headlights there's a bolt down here that you're going to have to take off, and then there's a 10 mil right there on top. And then there should be, I think, 2 more on the back that we're gonna have to take off on that side. All right, so I got the bumper off. So before you take the 10 mils off, you're gonna wanna go, I don't know if you can see, but down here there's a connection that you're gonna have to take off. You just push it from the bottom, it comes out like that. And then you got a 10 mil down there. So get our extension. It's on there. Then you got the one on top over here. Let's see. You're gonna have a 10 mil back there. I don't know if you can see it. That's the last one you're gonna have to take off. So as you guys can tell, I got the headlight off. I have it right here. It had like some C-clips that are right here that it had like spread out evenly, like on the top and on the bottom, that I just popped out with the screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. So now we're gonna have to use a heat gun to get rid of all the silicone, like not get rid of, but like melt it, to be able to take this front portion of the headlight off, to be able to cut it, and also cut out the inside of the headlight so we can insert the carbon fiber air intake thingy. Alright guys, so I got the headlight like lens off of the backing part. So what I pretty much did was I grabbed the heat gun, went like section by section with screwdriver, and I just went like that and then pried it up like all the way around and even the bottom, and then it came right off. So now we're gonna have to cut out the let me show you this side. We're gonna have to chop that off like from right here down, and then get rid of that whole thing, or else the this carbon fiber piece isn't gonna fit like flush in against the headlight. So I'm gonna do that right now. So there are these 2 Phillips head screws that you're gonna have to take off this black piece. So pretty much from this black piece, you're not gonna need like this whole thing. It's gonna replace it like that. So we're gonna chop that side off. Alright guys, so it's the next day and I got the chrome part cut out. I got this cut out. So this is how it's gonna look. Just gonna have to put some double-sided tape on the back, and that's how it's gonna look. so right now I'm just using the heat gun around the edges to melt the glue, and then like put it back. And then after that, you're gonna want to put these metal clips back on. So there's 3 on the top, and then there should be 3 on the bottom. Alright guys, so to mount the carbon fiber, I'm using some 3M Scotch double-sided tape, so it should hold, hopefully not fall off. There we go guys, it's on. So if it's like ever raining, I could always put on the cover that goes back here so water doesn't get into the engine. There we go.